Good morning, guys. Mike, aka Crypto Jewels here. I'm going to do an update real quick on Trias. A couple quick things, guys. First of all, I am building out a trading platform for you guys. It'll be a Crypto Jewels trading guide with coursework and private one-on-one and group coaching sessions with myself. I've got a link that I'm going to put down below. If you guys have interest, put your email address in and I will get you guys notified once it's all ready to go. There'll be a paid portion of the site, and there will also be some free information as well that I will direct you guys to. Second of all, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment and educational purposes only. And let's dive into Trias. All right, guys. So as you guys are aware, for those who have been following me in these updates, I believed we were starting our micro three wave up. So we had what that looks like was the bottom of correction here, a 1, 2, 3, and then a corrective pattern here, which I was thinking was complete with an ABC, which is a completely valid corrective structure. This thing, you know, like I always say, guys, corrective patterns can be extremely confusing. And I know, and it's really important to not get your emotions involved. And I know it's hard. I still do it to this point sometimes as well. But the most important thing to do is to not try to force your bias onto the chart. Let the price data and the price action create what your bias is, whether it's you know, temporarily bullish or temporarily bearish. It doesn't really matter. Just don't force any kind of narrative onto the chart. Let it tell you what's going on. And what I mean by that is, you know, understanding all the potential possibilities. So yes, we have an ABC. That means this corrective pattern right here could be complete. But there are complex correction patterns within Elliott waves. So this thing could turn into a complex corrective pattern. This right now looks like a 3 subwave structure. So this could be an A, and we could be, you know, coming down to make a B and then a C. Let's change the color of that. And let's change the size of it. So what this would be creating would be a WXY complex correction. And then what this would look like from here would be another ABC pattern. So price could look something like that, causing a corrective wave, a complex corrective wave. So that could be a possibility. The other, let's get all this stuff back off the chart. The other possibility is that this thing is impulsive, which is what I was thinking yesterday. This could be a sub microwave 1. This could be, you know, potentially a 1, 2, 3, but it doesn't look like it's probably a 1, 2, 3. If it is, you do not want basically where we're at right now. You don't want this $15 mark breached from a trading standpoint, because 4 waves cannot breach 1 wave. Just like here, guys, if this is a 3 wave, this is your 1 wave. This line right here, $10.50 roughly, cannot be breached and traded into, or else this structure is valid. This count is invalid. Doesn't mean the entire macro count is invalidated. It just means this micro count is invalidated, and this could be, you know, some sort of ABC corrective wave. I still think we're bullish. I still think the direction of the trend is up. So either way, we are, you know, either impulsive on a micro scale, or we are still corrective. In my opinion, I don't see this thing going lower than this local bottom right here at 1123. I've got a lot of confluence And why I say that, first of all, if this count is correct, assuming it is, from a fib standpoint, we bounced right at the 618 level, which is what I like to see for a 4-wave down. So we've got that, we're bouncing there. That's number one. Number two is we have got this is the 12-hour chart. So this is a higher time frame chart. So the higher the time frame, the more valid and the more validity that I put into the analysis on the chart. So you've also got a divergence here. You've got the price making a lower low, and you have the oscillator, the RSI oscillator, making a higher high, creating a divergence. So I think, to me, this solidifies this as a bottom. It does not mean we can't make a double bottom, but I believe it solidifies this as the bottom. So guys, ultimately, we don't want to rush the judgments. We want to let price unfold so we can make a educated decision on where this thing's at and what it's doing. Again, I do not trade corrective patterns. This is something that I have no interest in trading. If I was going to trade it, I would have sold at my top of my 3 and then tried to buy back down at the bottom of this corrective wave somewhere. But I didn't. I'm a swing trader. I'm holding on to this thing for a little while. My next target is the $70 mark. So I won't sell it until I hit that. Either I'll sell it at 70 or I will get stopped out at my invalidation point, which is, really nowhere near where we're at now. All right, guys, hopefully that helped. See y'all later.